Good morning, everyone. My name is Brian. I also from Australia. Good morning, everyone. My name is Alif, and I'm from Indonesia. And of course, I am the student of Indonesia. Hello. Good morning, Alif. How are you doing? I hope you are always fine. Good morning to Mr. Brian. I always fine. How about you? I hope you're doing good and always fine too. Well, I always fine, Alif. So today we want to talk about Indonesian culture in breakfast. Can you tell me how Indonesian people doing start a breakfast for every day or every morning? Of course, we can talk about it, Mr. Brian. In Indonesia, mostly people every big breakfast, lunch, or everything is always use a rice, for they are special food in their life, because the rice is the most important thing food in Indonesia. So how about in Australia, Mr. Brian? How Australia people breakfast? What kind of food in Australia? Alright, Alif. In Australia, mostly people in their breakfast is always eat about the bread, of course, and about the meat. But in breakfast, something in Australia is just use an vegetables, because so many people in Australia, especially in the big city, is always use vegetable for every day, even in the breakfast, even in their lunch, and even in the dinner. But mostly people in Australia, as always, eat some bread for their energy, because the bread has also have high protein for their metabolism. So many people in Australia is always eat bread in every time. Of course, in breakfast too. I see. And I'm understand right now. But sometimes Indonesian people eat breakfast too, but not for bread. In Indonesia, if wanna eat some bread, it's just for a dessert, or it's just for a brunch. It's not for breakfast, because in Indonesia mostly people always eat rice, always eat some rice, Mr. Brian. And sometimes we don't do a breakfast in one time. Usually we don't do breakfast, not yet, because we just eat some little sugar and we drink a coffee. We drink the coffee in every morning. especially employee or especially student, active student like me, mostly like coffee, start coffee in the morning and start a spicy breakfast, like kinda spicy noodle or spicy rice or spicy fried rice. Why? Because many Asian people love rice and love spicy for them breakfast. we are same. We are same about the coffee. Sometimes in Australia, people breakfast or take a lunch or take a brunch use this coffee. Because why? Because many people, of course, in Australia, big city like Sydney, like Melbourne, some people and many people love this coffee. And we also use this every day, but not use for holiday, only in work day, like Monday to Friday. We always use coffee. For what? For energy. But only like cream coffee, not a creamy coffee. Because many people in Australia love cream coffee. And the coffee, of course, make us to have energy. When I drink coffee, mostly people have many energy. Seems like Asian, seems like Western or Europe. As always, coffee start in the coffee in the morning. Sometimes we are same like Asian people, right? Is that true, right?